In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show an Outlook envelope icon in the taskbar. This small envelope is a classic visual cue that pops up when new email arrives, so you can glance at your taskbar and know there's something waiting without keeping Outlook front and center. We'll do this using the classic desktop version of Outlook for Windows, not Outlook on the web or the newer preview experience. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. If you're in the right place, you'll see the familiar ribbon across the top with tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and File. We're heading into the app's settings, so look to the upper left corner and choose File. That opens the Backstage view, where you'll find account information and, importantly, the Options button at the bottom of the left-hand list. Go ahead and select Options. A new Outlook Options window will appear. On the left, there's a column of categories. Choose Mail. This is where Outlook keeps all the preferences related to composing, reading, and being notified about messages. In the Mail Settings page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Message Arrival. This section controls what Outlook does when a new message hits your inbox. Here, find the checkbox that says Show an Envelope icon in the taskbar. Turn that on. This tells Outlook to light up that classic envelope in your Windows taskbar area when new mail arrives. It's a subtle, low-distraction notification that complements or replaces pop-up alerts, depending on how you like to work. After you've checked the box, confirm your changes by clicking OK at the bottom of the window. That closes the Options dialog and saves your preference. From now on, when a message comes in, you'll see the envelope appear near your system clock in the taskbar area, sometimes called the notification area. It's normal for Windows to group icons there, and the envelope will show only when there are unread messages since the last time you checked. Once you read or dismiss the new mail, the icon may disappear until the next arrival. If you use focused inbox, rules, or multiple accounts, the envelope still indicates new mail activity without forcing you to switch views. That's all there is to it. You've enabled the envelope icon so you can keep tabs on new emails at a glance. Thanks for watching.